I know you might be thinking that our population is going to increase so much like it has been in the previous years. But what if I tell you that's all a lie and our population is actually just going to stay stagnant and decrease? Okay, it might not literally decrease, but it definitely will not be increasing the same way as it did this generation. And you might be wondering why. If you look at our like aging demographics and like the birth rate, like which age people are having kids, nowadays this age range is having less and less kids, which means that the population is just going to be the same or just decreasing. Why? And it's mostly because like economy, everything's getting really expensive, and just like a million other factors. What I'm trying to say here is that fewer people and we will need less food. By 2040, countries like Japan, South Korea, we will see a huge population drop. We'll also see really big drops in food demand as well. For example, Japan's rice consumption already fell 16% in the last 10 years. If you also think about it, older populations also eat less food, and there's also more people living in the cities, so the demand for local farming is going to be significantly less. And some farmland might even turn into solar farms or forecasts because it's not really needed for food anymore. But the twist is that places like Africa, where the populations are constantly growing, there's still gonna need a demand for food. Also, climate change could also mess with crop productions, making shortages possible even with fewer people globally. And yeah, some industries are like very likely to benefit is like automation and robotics, healthcare, stuff like that. But there's also the industries that are going to most likely face a challenge is like consumer goods, agriculture, and a lot more. So yeah, that was my prediction for the next 5 to 10 years in the future. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.